Hey, welcome back. Just dropped off that Subaru Outback, and I think I will attempt to vacuum the Kia. I'm going to start with probably taking out all the floor mats to at least get an idea of how much needs to be done. If it wasn't obvious, back to the 360 camera. I just had it charging while I was using the GoPro and finishing up the other job. So yeah, I got a bit of stuff to remove from the back seat as well because the dash is still torn apart, but that issue is now fixed. And then everything else went back together pretty easily. It plugged in all the clips, it started up fine. But I didn't take apart the dash, so I don't really know where things go in the order of where to put things, I guess. Order of what the order is of putting things back, I guess. Yeah, so I'll leave those off to the side. I think I might end up cleaning them up a tad as well since they're out, just cuz. I will start by removing things. Set you up over here. Oh, this is so much better than the GoPro. No offense, GoPro. I need to put my gloves on. What am I doing? You think I'm about to willingly get my hands all dirty when I could just wear gloves? Why would I do that? Probably gonna have a bit of a tan line. It looks like I already do. Here. All right, taking it up. This one, here. Let me start over. This car should be a lot less work because it's kind of just loose dirt, and as you can see here, kind of just pebbles. Really quick and easy. Honestly, these mats can probably just be shaken off and get 90% of the stuff off. So hopefully it's quicker. Done for now. I kind of need to figure out where I actually want to put all of this stuff. There are tools, so I'll at least bring those into the garage. Is this an empty box? It was. I think this is the thing that's supposed to be, yeah, this is totally the thing that's supposed to be in the box, but it no longer needs the box. Looks like some complicated fuse testing. I don't know. Roll it up all nice. Close it with the Velcro. Aha! Really don't know where to put this. Everything else is kind of partially in the way from other things because I don't really seem to complete one project at a time. But I am trying my best to kind of clear up space to make things easier so I can be more efficient. Now to the interior parts. You know what? I was going to put these in the trunk, so I think I'm going to clear out the trunk first, vacuum out the trunk, and then we will be able to continue with the interior. I'd like to also clean the outside of these cars, but I don't really have such easy access to just get water and whatnot. There's got to be an eyelash that is just not wanting to leave, and I can't find it in my dirty hands. Then I'm just okay. I'll just rub it and see what happens. All right, ignore that. I recycled a bunch of the my oil from previous oil changes and whatnot. That happened to be one of them, but it was actually filled with coolant, and they didn't take coolant. So they had to give it back completely full. Full of what I put in there. It's not completely full, but it'd be nice to have it empty so I can actually use it for other things. You know, other oil changes in the future. Whatnot. While I'm goofing off, I'll take a water break. Good. Taking it out, Shake it off to the side. Yeah, that's mostly clean. Alright, throw on the earmuffs and get to it. I guess I'll show you a before. It's really not bad at all. There's just a little tiny bit, but it's worth getting since I'm, you know, doing the whole thing. There. Yeah, like I said, really not too bad. Ooh, I will vacuum up top here. I don't need to put the muffs back on. Quick and easy. Alright, I will do the trunk mat now. Man, it caught on something. Once I'm done with the mat, I can put the mat back in, move the interior pieces in there, and yeah, start working on the interior. I'm pretty happy with that. Put it back in. I'll bring you with me. This is so much better than the GoPro. I remember why I bought this thing now. Throw back in. Nice and, oh no, dog hair from the previous job. Got some like grippy material on the bottom, so it's just grabbing the material of the other thing that was underneath this. Alright, that looks good to me. Let's move the interior. That ought to be perfect. And this is everything. I guess I'll also, I'll leave those out, so we're not going to need them anytime soon. Right, and that's the interior empty, I believe, completely. And these definitely have a lot of, like, just fine dirt and dust from, I'm sure, over plenty of years, because the back seats of this, I mean, was actually used. You can probably see, maybe not, but yeah, there's a cloud that comes off. It kind of just looks like a part of that kit that I was closing up earlier. Good. Also kind of forgot about these. I'll throw these back in. Oh, this totally goes on the wall. Velcro. Oh, no way, that's cool. Why wasn't it like that? Don't mind me. I don't know what the shot would actually look like, because you're not looking directly at me. I try to have it looking directly at me, so hopefully lighting and warping or whatever is at its best slash minimal. At its best for good things and minimal for bad things. Close this now. One more thing. Dust diaper. In case you can't hear me because you're too far away, I would like to start in the back because doing the last car, I got underneath the front seats, majority from the back seats. So I figured I'd start with that, get kind of everything done, and then, you know, move to the front. Duh, what else? Okie dokie. Open the back door. I'll get you situated. So hopefully you can see as much as possible. Yeah, looking good. As you can see, just quite a bit of dirt down there, even in the seats. First, I do remember I saw like a little clip down here, and it looks like it's supposed to hold this. I don't know what it clips to. There's not much room. I guess I'll play around with it later. Train's coming. start the vacuum so you can't even hear it. Actually, you know what? There it is. Okay. We had our fun. Time to work. I'm a mess, guys. I was gonna start on that side, so that's why I moved that seat up. But I didn't want to put you guys in the grass. So then I came over here, and I didn't even move this seat. Let's do that real quick. I suppose my brain's a little fried from all this hard work I've been doing all day. Okay, back to it. There's a Dorito under your chair. You can have it. No. Oh yeah. I wonder how much dirt I have. I forgot to look after I finished the other car. Oh, I never showed you because I was distracted. This is what we got. A ton of hair. Ignore all those like little white chunks at the bottom that was in there before from whoever used this previously. And then, yeah, you can't really see the dirt yet, but we'll probably see quite a bit. Oh, yeah! I think that's the right height I had it at. You should be able to see the most right there. Yeah, I could tell that it was making the louder noise because it was wedged in there. I probably shouldn't have done that, but whatever. It's just this little end piece. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Let's see. That's just not gonna work. Do stupid things, win stupid prizes. Is that what this is? Man, I'll just grab a screwdriver. I was kind of not wanting to get up, but I guess I have to. It's just really windy right now, so I'm a little worried about the tent. But it should be good. How are you so stuck? Oh, that was it. That totally was. And it's gone. All right, I'll put this back and I'll be right back. Oh yeah. Whew. Just like that. Continue on with the seat. Here, I'll change your angle. There you go. Oh, things are falling inside. Hey, I just vacuumed this. Okay, I'll do the doors. Honestly, I'll roll up the windows too. I think I'll do the mats, throw the mats back in, and then move up to the front. Awesome. Yeah, there's really not much in the doors, but I don't really gotta show everything, right? Move on to the mats. I'll set you up. Oh my god, look at the wind! Please don't fall over. Okay, I'll put you low so I'm careful. Okay, that was definitely at least a little weird. For whatever reason, the windows wouldn't roll up until I started the engine. So, I don't know what that was all about. I'm not sure what to expect with this one, because there's definitely a lot of dust kind of caked in there, but we'll see.
Your father only let you take the mattress to the dump.
Yeah.
How much did that cost you?
30.
30 fucking.
Sorry about the interruption. This one looks mostly done. Yeah, no more cloud. I'll put it back. Run it back. Voila. Oh, this one's going back too. What are you doing? It's nice out. What do you mean? You don't have shorts on? A little intermission. Man, that is too funny. I was just talking to myself for like not too long, but I turned on the camera and didn't even start recording. Okay, so I'll recap real quick. I had company come over and I ate dinner, and I'm now going to continue to vacuum the Kia. That is it. Oh, slightly doesn't fit. Oh, come on. Yeah. I'll put you like here. I'll get you a little lower. As you can see, this is the missing interior that I put in the trunk earlier. All right. I don't know where this cough came from. I got like, it feels like there's just dust coating my throat as soon as I walk back outside. I don't think the seats moved back all the way. That must be it. Pray for me, guys. I need it. So that's kind of it, I suppose. I'll do the door over there, and then we'll finish up with the floor mats, throw them back in, and we're all good. Yeah, definitely not perfect, but vacuum doesn't seem to be making much progress, so I'll save myself the time. And I'll just put it in now. This honestly could have been the first time the mats have come out, for all I know. I guess I'll have to start the car so I can roll up this last window. Oh, the seat's moving. I definitely need to remember to do that passenger door, because I know I'm going to forget. Hey. It's getting windy again. Throw this in and I'll do the door, because I totally didn't forget. Alright, I think that just about wraps it up for today. At least vacuuming wise. I'm all sucked out for the day. I guess I can give a little tour. Why not? Oh yeah, let me actually grab these. No, get back here. So again, it's not perfect, but definitely an improvement. We got quite a bit of dirt out of there. If I remember, I will also open up the vacuum to see the aftermath of all the suckage today. Yeah, the dash definitely looks way better. Happy about that. Put these down. Oh god, I don't know where to put it. Right there. Sure. And let's open this puppy up. 1, 2, and there it is. Yeah, really doesn't look like too much. The filter's definitely way different than when I put it in, obviously. Wasn't even all the way out. Oh, dusty hand. Whatever. Kind of figured, but I wanted to push that in so it doesn't like fall off in there. Yeah, and that just about wraps it up for today. Thank you.